Hello, everybody. This is another episode of UncleCode Review. We're gonna go to different students, and we're gonna go through their codes and review what they've done, and maybe I have some comments to improve their code. And code review always is important in any software company, especially senior programmers. They look at junior coders and give them comments and hints. It's one way of improving the code quality and learning a lot of new things.
All right, our next student is Ayra. She's 9 years old. This student is very interesting. I'm going to mention her full name and you're going to know why later. Her full name is Ayra Iman binti Muhammad Fairuz. Yes.
Okay.
So
Why you're
let's
supposed to give us the
Ayra.
full name?
Yes. She joined in 2021.
2021. Okay, look at the Ayra. Hello, you beautiful Ayra.
You have to pronounce the full name. Ayra Iman binti Muhammad Fairuz.
So let me practice. Ayra Iman binti Muhammad Fairuz.
Correct.
Good.
Okay, now we can start.
Okay, we need a lot of practice for that.
So now I'm gonna share my screen and to see. Okay, let me share my screen. Now I got it. Look at that! Wow, Ayra, that's amazing. You changed the name of turtle from Tom to Ayra Iman binti Muhammad Fairuz. How long it took for you to finish this code? Look at it. I hope you knew what is the copy paste and how you can do copy paste. Because I don't want to see you every time write it. Look at that. It's oh, look at this. You see when I select, it shows you other part which is identical.
Yeah.
More than 50% of this code is your name. Okay, it's really nice. Let me run the code and see what do we have here. Well, first let me add a speed to make it fast. Okay, I'm gonna copy paste. I'm not gonna write it down here. So speed 100. Okay, I want to change speed Ayra to 100, and then we're gonna see that. Okay. Oh, look at that.
Beautiful.
I think that's not. Is it supposed to be two colors, all of them, or I don't know. I think
Supposed to be two color, all of them.
Let's see what's happened. Let's see why it's not like that. Okay, first you change your shape to turtle. Oh, you also go to -200. I like that. And then change the color to this. Then 4. Then count 3 for count. Nice. You are using nested loop. And here are you forward 30 and 72, which this is for pentagon because 360 divide by 5. Then you draw this, then the color change to this one, and fill color also change to this one. Then we have a beginning fill, then we have triangles, then end fill, then pen up, forward. Okay, when we back to next cycle, our color didn't change. So this is the part that should come to loop, I guess. So let's try it again. I got a kind of a roar. What I did. Let's see. Bad input in line number 9. I think
I think a tab and a space issue.
it's indentation something. Should be something like that. Okay, let's do this. Let's back again. This is correct. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just come and say here. But it still doesn't like it, huh? Yeah, it's definitely something about indentation. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'll just go to the bottom of this here. Maybe here it works. Yes. Okay, now it works. It's supposed to be like that. Okay, you got it, Arya. You just missed this part because you forget to bring back color to, I don't know how to call it, that kind of purple color, seems very light purple color. And then, okay, so let's see what else we can have here. Count 3, so you did it like a tree. So this can also be like a kind of function, the whole things. It's like what we were discussing before, like drawing dash line. Now we have a bunch of shapes coming next to each other. Very interesting, Arya. Really interesting. How old was Arya? I forgot.
She's 9 years old.
9 years old. Wow, interesting. At age 9, you are doing this. What are you going to do at age 19 and 29 and 39 and all the 9s in your life? and it is interesting. So forward 32, 72. 72 is 360 divided by 5. Okay, we want to remind ourselves why is it like this, or 360 divided by 3. And then forward 80 and pin down. Okay, you see, that's interesting. I see she has used hexadecimal code for colors. Very interesting, Arya. It's very interesting for me. The first two RGB color, red and green and blue. So you can see that from the 0 till F. That's the base 16. That means we count like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A, B, C, D, E, F. F means the maximum numbers, like decimal 9 is the max. So here we can see that we have some red, same amount we have green, but we have more blue. And that makes sense to be like purple, right? If I change it to, for example, let's say a lot of red, nothing green, nothing blue. So it means I'm really want to go to maximum amount of red. So every 2 letters shows one color. So the first 2 is red, the second pair is green, and the last 2 is blue. So if I do that, then you see that I have red colors.
Very nice.
And add a little bit blue, maybe let's say 7 to blue, and then I see that it's changed for how it's gonna change. See, that's now have pink a little bit because red and blue. You can play nicely with all these kind of colors to see how it works. Cool. That's good. Very good. Really interesting. One is you are a kind of really heavy typer that you type and write a lot. Arya Iman Binti Muhammad Fairuz. You put the name of your family name, and then that's interesting. And also, it's very nice that I see that you understand the concept of the for loops and nested for loops, and nicely play around with colors and specifically using hexadecimal code. So well done.
You're so professional in art.
Very interesting. Very interesting. You should be. I guess you're a very particular person, and you can focus nicely. I like that. That's very nice. Very nice. Good job to you, Ayra. And then we have something special for you. We're going to tell this to you, and you have to keep this as a secret. No, you can tell to everybody. Doesn't matter. So this is something very important. We want to tell you something very important. You have to know that one. That Ayra, Iman Binti Muhammad Fairuz. You are programmers.